Fiberdur offers trainings about the installation and assembly of pipes and fittings at our location in Germany or on site. For this purpose, we have developed a 5-day comprehensive seminar for bonders and laminators. The participants are familiarized with grinding, mixing, applying resin, and how to put glass reinforcements in a pre-described way on top of the joint. With graphite and a carbon wheel, the joint can be made electric conductive. Fiberdur, the reliable supplier of glass-fibre reinforced piping systems.